Hi, it's Danny. Thanks for checking out the final video. I think we're number 5 on function alignment, comfort of the neck. Let's do the squeeze we started with, but we'll bring in the chest up, chin up, head back. As you do this, feel free to join in. You can sit down as well. Doesn't matter which hand, you can do 2 or 3, then change over. So it's neck flexion extension, high up here, atlas on the skull, and you can squeeze your muscles as you move your neck. How about a little rotation? Let's turn the body to the left and then back slightly. Keep there. It works with either hand. You can use your left facing the left and your right facing the left. So massage and rotate, even play a bit. We can change sides. A little squeezing, heel of hand to fingertips there. And looking over that right shoulder, moving around. Remember the ear to shoulder. You can even squeeze the traps a bit with this one. Slight elevation of shoulders. Trapezius muscle squeeze. Little side motion. Could be small, could be grander. Okay, roll your shoulders out. Check back in with your whole alignment. Now, video 1, we talked about the head poking forwards and not to tuck the chin in to correct, but to let the whole body come up for posture. So just check that ideally, more ideally, your head, neck, is resting down through your spine, through your pelvis, down to the floor. So you might even close your eyes and sense that for a moment. Picture your inner alignment, inward curve in place. That you haven't got the text neck anymore, with the head poked forward and a flat cervical spine. You have a curve in place and your head and neck are on your feet with good alignment of everything else in between. That's the goal of this mini series. It may take a bit longer than a few 1 or 2 minute videos. Okay, open your eyes if not already. But that's the idea. Let's do some light stretches. Let's do some self-touch. Let's be aware of alignment. When you drive, when you walk, when you sit at a computer, when you're doing sport, can that head and neck be up, supported by good posture beneath? Just watch out for doing your texts here and computers here. Can you lift the screen up? Can you lift your phone? Whatever it is. Let's keep the posture up, keep the vision up, keep the body aligned and relaxed. Well done. Thanks for joining in today.